I just got super pissed off at him, and I just ignored him. And you know who Storm Z is? He's the guy who messaged me.
The Storm Z?
Yeah, he told me that he messaged me on October 17, 2018, telling me that he thinks the wheat stock market will cash out. And I didn't listen to him. I said I'd take my chances.
And they did crash, though.
Yeah. And they were telling me that, oh, sell all your stocks, be in 99 cash position. We're gonna have a stock market crash. I couldn't do it, right? It just goes against my code. So I was like, I'll take your advice, and I will be in a more of a cash position. He's like, oh, be in a 99% cash position. Stock market's gonna crash. And then I talked to him like, oh, you think it's a good idea to short Microsoft and short Microsoft and put a put option on them? And he's like, yeah. And then I did sell off some stocks. I was listening to his advice, and I wanted to be in a more cash position because, you know, he's like very concerned about the stock market crashing.
Yeah.
And then later he came to me. He's like, oh, Microsoft is dangerous to short. I'm like, you thought the stock market was going to crash, you idiot. And then
Well, before we get started, I would like to ask you guys to please give me a like. It really helps my channel and it will push me to make more videos. So let's try to get this video to 100 likes.
What's going on, guys? It's Investing Hustler here, and I have Kevin from Cyberworld with me. What's going on, Kevin?
Good. Hey guys, Investing Hustling me are gonna do part 2 of the part 1 that was cut short because he had to do a sale.
Yeah, exactly. So part 1's right here. I asked you guys to give me 100 likes, and we have 132 likes. I got a lot of comments. People really liked that video with me and you. So we're here giving you a part 2. We're going to finish up what we talked about last time. Kevin also has some news that might be happening on Monday, some really good news for the marijuana industry. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, don't forget to like this video and try to get this one to 100 likes as well. Okay, so Kevin, what company should we talk about?
Well, I kind of want to talk about the Farm Bill first.
Yeah.
I believe next week or even on Monday. I've been hearing rumors on Facebook. So these are just rumors. So take it with a grain of salt. Sorry, I thought I had to sneeze, but I didn't. Anyways, the Farm Bill might get signed and passed on Monday or even next week. And if that happens, hemp will be a fairly legal product in the United States and won't be considered a Schedule 1 class drug. That means that companies like Hempco, hemp companies in general, will be able to go into the United States market and try to make money off of, you know, selling products in the United States. At least this is my opinion. I could be totally wrong. Maybe it's only for companies in the United States, and outside companies are not allowed to go into the United States to do business. So let me know your comments down below. I would love to hear what you guys have to say about the Farm Bill next week.
Yeah, I did touch up on this news on one of my videos. If this happens Monday, it does look like very good news. From what we know, one company got affected by this in a very positive way, and that was hemp. And as you could see here, right before the market closed, hemp went all the way up from 95 cents to $1.15. So what do you think is going to happen on Monday with Hempco after this push forward? They literally had a nice green candle to finish that day.
Yeah, that was kind of strange to me that it happened near the end of the day.
Yep.
Maybe they're trying to prevent people from selling out.
Hemp went up, that's ticker symbol HEMP, went up 37%.
Near the end of the day, too.
And in all those gains, most of those gains were at the end of the day. They started off, actually, the company started selling off on December 3rd, mostly because of that Aphria news. And then pretty much on the 7th, it made a push forward all the way from 83 cents all the way to $1.15. So
I have a theory. I think that the shorts are covering. I think shorts managed to short the stock all the way down to like 81 cents. And then, you know, maybe they decide to cover and the stock rose, had a drastic uplift. At least in my opinion, though, I could be totally wrong.
Well, that's also one thing I was thinking. It could be shorters collecting their profits. Also, it could be just insiders trading, like insiders just trying to push their company forward because they've been on a downslope for the past.
Oh, I don't think insiders really care about Hemco because Hemco is owned by Aurora.
Oh no, I'm just saying overall, like even Aphria, after all that bad news, they started to push forward. What do you think?
Yeah, those are insiders for sure.
Yeah,
I think
it could be insiders. It could be shorters collecting profits.
I don't think the company that's shorting Aphria is going to be collecting profits because it would make them sound kind of weak if they did not stand behind their statement unless they're backing off.
Yeah.
Which,
Also,
yeah,
could be swing traders because at $4.80, it looked like a good swing play opportunity, especially because it literally went down 50% in like 3 days.
yeah, that's insane.
Yeah.
You're talking about Aphria stock, right?
Yeah. I'm kind of bouncing back from Aphria to Hemco, but yeah. On our last video, we gave our predictions for, I think it was Aurora. So what's your predictions for Aphria on Monday? What do you think is gonna happen Monday morning? Red day, green day for Aphria?
I think it's gonna trade sideways. So it's gonna be red, but I don't think it's gonna be like super bad, like a 20% or 30% decline. I say maybe 5% decline, and then it'll just bounce around and trade sideways. But
Yeah.
that's my prediction.
So you don't think Aphria will be bouncing back up to $8 again?
Not unless there is some kind of clarification from the CEO and this whole mess is cleared. Not until that happens,
Yep.
I don't think the stock is gonna. I mean, it might bounce back to $8, but I just don't. I don't see it. I don't see it happening really, and not until there's some clarification of nothing wrong happening. So this is just my opinion, though. I could be totally wrong, and the stock could go, $10 and no news on anything. I mean, it's not a logical possibility, but anything's possible in the stock market, I guess.
Yeah. So if this farm bill goes through Monday, we're probably gonna see a green Monday, and don't you think that's gonna happen? Hemco will probably do good. Another company we didn't touch up on. Did we touch up on what we think is gonna happen to Cronos on Monday?
Oh, I don't think so. I don't think we made a prediction of where the price would go.
So Cronos, we seen Cronos right here. They had a nice little gap. They pretty much went from $14, $13.96, and then in the morning they went up to $18.55 and just been downtrending ever since. Do you think Cronos will continue to downtrend? Because right now they're currently downtrending down from the $18, especially after that gap. Usually when you see a gap like that, you see the company decline. But the reason why we seen a gap here was because of that $1.8 billion investment from Aphria. So do you think this is like the price that Cronos will continue to trade at, or do you think they're going to downtrend some more?
It's really tough for Cronos because I don't understand the company. That's my biggest thing. Like, I mean, it's nice that they got a big ass deal, but I still don't really understand the company. Maybe it's just because I lack research from this company, but it could have a rise. I mean, yeah, I think I'm gonna call a bull on it. I think that Monday is gonna be a really good day for the cannabis industry because of possibly the hemp bill getting signed.
Yeah.
So I would say Cronos will probably go up. Probably not a 20% push but at least like 5, maybe 10%. So it's probably going to go up to like $18, possibly $19. So that's just my prediction. What's your prediction on Cronos?
Well, if the farm bill goes through, it has to go up. I don't see any reason why it would go down. But
Cronos really not in hemp.
I just feel like it might affect everyone, don't you think? Or it's just going to affect certain companies?
Well, it probably will affect everyone. Yeah.
So I feel like if 1 or 2, 3 companies do really well, maybe some companies might go up over 10%. And then if that's the case, the rest of the market might go up 2 to 5% just because of that news. But I think it all depends on that. If the farm bill goes through, it's going to be a green day for Cronos. If not, I don't see Cronos declining a lot. Maybe they'll go back down to 16, but it's hard to say because they have that investment now, so they could easily continue to push forward.
Yeah, there's a lot of people camping Cronos stock, that's for sure.
Yeah, so
they're hoping for a weakness in stock price so they can buy in.
exactly. So if it does decline, the moment it declines, people are probably going to buy it just for a swing play or just because of that investment. So people are probably feeling really confident with Cron, just like when Canopy got that investment, that company shot up to I think $73. So we could see Cron maybe going up to $20 eventually, just because that investment. No knowledge, nothing behind that. It's just literally because of that investment. We could see that. But that's if the industry does good. That's if the stock markets do well. Right now we're kind of in a bear market, so we're gonna
No. I don't believe that the cannabis industry is in a bear market anymore.
No, I'm saying the stock market in general, like
the stock market is in a bear market.
Yeah.
The stock market, the real stock market has no protection, but the cannabis market has a bubble, has a bubble around it right now that is it's a protection bubble because of the Cron deal.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of big companies like Philip Morris and alcohol, Diageo and Coke, they're probably looking at this Aphria deal and they're like, holy shit, Aphria made a big move. Yep. Now we have to look at this even more serious.
Yeah, I feel like companies are definitely going to start to sweat a little, and they'll feel like they need to make an investment into this industry, because a big player like Constellation Brand has done it. Aphria has done it. So other companies, they're probably sweating. They're like, we need to get in this. So I think now for sure there's going to be more Canadian companies being invested in by these big players in the States.
If you're a business and your competitor is doing something that is very big, you're going to be looking at that. You're going to be like, okay, we need to do something or else, our competitors will have an upper advantage on us.
Yeah, and they don't want to be left behind.
Thanks for watching, guys, and if you guys want to see a part 2 of this video, don't forget to leave me a like, and if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that notification bell and smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye bye.